Namaste बच्चों. Today we'll start with a new chapter and the name of the chapter is सच का फल मीठा होता है. That is chapter number 8. So here the word सच means truth and फल means fruit. मीठा means sweet. So the meaning of this heading is the fruit of truth is always sweet. So first we'll do the summary of this chapter. Now this is a short story about a poor woodcutter. One day this woodcutter went to the forest to cut wood. On his way he saw a dry tree on the banks of the river and he started to cut it. While cutting that dry tree, his axe fell into the river. He became very sad and started crying. Hearing this, the river god appeared in front of him and asked about his reason for crying. Hearing the reason, the river god wanted to help him and helped the poor woodcutter in getting the axe. So now let's see how the river god helped this poor woodcutter. So for this, we'll read this lesson, that is from page number 47. You can see here we have katin shabd, that means difficult words. So the first one is lakadhara. Lakadhara means woodcutter. Second one, nadi. Nadi means river. Kulhadi. Kulhadi means axe. Then we have devta. Devta means god. Last one, meetha fal. Here meetha means sweet and fal means fruit. So sweet fruit. Now we'll move on to the story. So I am going to read it and you have to listen it very carefully. The first paragraph. एक बार एक गरीब लकड़हारा लकड़ियाँ काटने के लिए जंगल में पहुंचा. नदी के किनारे एक सूखा वृक्ष खड़ा था. लकड़हारा उसी वृक्ष पर चढ़ा और उसकी मोटी पतली डालियाँ काटने लगा. अचानक उसके हाथ से कुल्हाड़ी छूटी और नदी की गहरी धारा में जा गिरी. So here you can see the meaning of few words. एक बार means once. एक गरीब, that means a poor. Lakadhara means woodcutter and lakadiya means wood. The word काटने means to cut. एक बार एक गरीब लकड़हारा लकड़ियाँ काटने के लिए जंगल में पहुंचा. So one day a poor woodcutter reached the forest to cut wood. नदी के किनारे एक सूखा वृक्ष खड़ा था. So here नदी means river. किनारे means banks of the river. एक सूखा वृक्ष. सूखा means dry and वृक्ष means tree. So a dry tree stood on the banks of the river. लकड़हारा उसी वृक्ष पर चढ़ा. So here चढ़ा means he climbed. So the woodcutter climbed on that tree. और उसकी मोटी पतली डालियाँ काटने लगा. Here मोटी means fat, patli means thin and डालियाँ means branches. And he started to cut the branches of that dry tree. अचानक उसके हाथ से कुल्हाड़ी छूटी. So here अचानक means suddenly. हाथ means hand and कुल्हाड़ी means axe. छूटी means discharge. So suddenly the axe discharged from his hand. और नदी की गहरी धारा में जा गिरी. Here Nadi means river, Gehri means deep and Dhara means stream. So the axe fell into the stream of river. Next paragraph. लकड़हारा क्या करता? वह वृक्ष से नीचे उतरा. उसके तने से लिपट कर बैठ गया और फूट फूट कर रोने लगा. नदी में रहने वाले देवता ने जब उसका रोना सुना तो उनका हृदय पसीज उठा. वे नदी से बाहर निकल आए, लकड़हारे के पास जा खड़े हुए और उससे पूछने लगे, इस तरह क्यों रो रहे हो भाई? So let's understand the meaning of few words here. लकड़हारा क्या करता? So here लकड़हारा woodcutter, क्या means what, and the meaning is what would the woodcutter do? वह वृक्ष से नीचे उतरा. So here नीचे means down and उतरा means came. So he came down after losing his axe. उसके तने से लिपट कर बैठ गया. Here tane means stem. He came down and he sat near the stem of that tree. और फूट फूट कर रोने लगा. फूट फूट कर means to weep bitterly and he started to cry. नदी में रहने वाले देवता ने जब उसका रोना सुना. So here देवता means God and rona means cry. Suna means hear. So when the God heard the sound of his crying, तो उनका हृदय पसीज उठा. Here हृदय means heart and पसीज means melt. So after hearing the sound of his cry, God's heart was melted. वे नदी से बाहर निकल आए. बाहर means out and निकल means came. So they came out of that river. लकड़हारे के पास जा खड़े हुए. Pass means near, खड़े means stood. They came out from the river and stood near the woodcutter. और उससे पूछने लगे. पूछने means asked. So they asked the woodcutter, इस तरह क्यों रो रहे हो भाई? So they asked him that why are you crying like this, brother? भाई means brother. Third paragraph. लकड़हारे ने कहा, महाराज मैं गरीब लकड़हारा हूँ. दिन भर वन में लकड़ियाँ काटता हूँ और शहर में ले जाकर बेच देता हूँ. अभी अभी अपनी कुल्हाड़ी नदी की धारा में खो बैठा हूँ. अब लकड़ियाँ कैसे काटूँगा और अपना तथा अपने बाल बच्चों का पेट कैसे पालूँगा? सो हियर फर्स्ट लाइन, लकड़हारे ने कहा. कहा मीन्स सेड. महाराज, माई किंग, मैं गरीब लकड़हारा हूँ. हियर मैं मीन्स आई and garib means poor. So he is saying that I am a poor woodcutter. दिन भर वन में लकड़ियाँ काटता हूँ. So दिन भर means throughout the day and one means forest. So he is saying that throughout the day I cut wood in the forest. और शहर में ले जाकर बेच देता हूँ. Here the word शहर means city. बेच means sell. So he is saying that he cut the woods and sell it in the city. अभी अभी अपनी कुल्हाड़ी नदी की धारा में खो बैठा हूँ. So here अभी अभी means just now. नदी की धारा means stream of the river. So the meaning is just now I lost my axe in the stream of the river. Next line, अब लकड़ियाँ कैसे काटूँगा? अब means now. कैसे means how. So he is saying now how will I cut the wood? और अपना तथा अपने बाल बच्चों का पेट कैसे पालूंगा? So here बाल बच्चों means children and पेट means stomach and पालूंगा means feed. So he is saying that he lost his axe, so he is not able to cut the wood. So because of this he is asking now how will I feed my children? Next page, that is page number 48 and the next paragraph is, यह सुनते ही देवता ने उससे कहा. So here यह सुनते means on hearing this, देवता means God. So on hearing this God said to him, तो इस तरह आंसू क्यों बहाते हो? So here आंसू means tear. So the God is asking him, then why you are shedding your tears like this? हम अभी नदी में गोता लगाते हैं. अभी means now and gota means dive. So God is saying that don't cry, I will just dive into the river. और तुम्हारी कुल्हाड़ी निकाल लाते हैं. तुम्हारी means your and कुल्हाड़ी means axe. निकाल means to take. So God is saying, don't cry. I will dive into the river and take out your axe. इसके बाद देवता नदी में गोता मारकर सोने की एक कुल्हाड़ी निकाल लाए. Here, इसके बाद means after this. The god dived into the river and brought out a golden axe. सोने means golden. और लकड़हारे को देखकर पूछने लगे. पूछने means he asked the woodcutter. यही तुम्हारी कुल्हाड़ी है. Is this your axe? So the god is asking the woodcutter, is this golden axe yours? That's all for today. The next part of the story will continue in the next class. Now here you have an activity. You have to read the first 10 lines of the story, record and submit in teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.